Hey folks, one of the things I love to do is make hot sauce. But even more, I love trying it on the foods that we eat every day. So today, we're gonna go in this local McDonald's and I'm gonna try out their brand new spicy McCrispy chicken sandwich. That's the McDonald's interpretation of a ghost pepper chicken sandwich. But to jazz it up a little bit, if it's not hot enough, I'm going to put on some Alabama hot sauce, Ghost of Sloss Furnace, which is our wonderful Jay's Peach Ghost Scorpion Pepper hot sauce. And we're going to see what that's like. Now, in addition, hang around to the very end because I'm going to show you a little surprise of what you can do with hot sauce. I'm going to do more than put it on a sandwich. All right, folks, thank you very much. And let's head into McDonald's. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'm here in Killen, Alabama at McDonald's. And McDonald's is making a little news with their spicy, crispy chicken sandwich. So I thought I would stop by here and see what it was all about. But of course, as you all know, usually things are not spicy enough to me. So I brought along a bottle of the Alabama hot sauce, Ghost of Sloss Furnace. Now the Ghost of Sloss Furnace is a pretty hot sauce. It's made out of red habaneros and red ghost peppers. And this stuff is pretty spicy, so I'm gonna take a bite of this sandwich. Then I'm going to jazz it up a little bit if it's not hot enough, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to be hot enough to suit me. So, you open up the sandwich. Oh, it smells good. Let's see what she looks like here. Oh, yes, got some. I think that's where the heat is right there, folks. That's the sauce that the heat's in. Let's take a bite and see what it's like. I'm going to be honest with you. It's not really very hot. But I'm going to fix that. Like I say, I've got a bottle of the Ghost of Sloss Furnace. This sauce is named after an Alabama tourist attraction, the Sloss Furnace Works. Back in the late 1800s, early 1900s, local Alabama businessmen wanted to take advantage of the iron ore streaks that run through the city of Birmingham. So they commissioned the Sloss Furnace Works. And it opened up, and the Sloss Furnace Works was absolutely a hellhole. It was hot. It was dark. The work was unbelievably burdensome. And worst of all, the workers were plagued by horrible management. As a matter of fact, one night shift supervisor was so bad, and he worked so hard to make sure that the employees were completely miserable that mysteriously he fell into the furnace and was instantly vaporized. Many people kind of hinted that maybe the workers, in retribution for all he had done to them, had actually thrown him in the furnace. After that, the workers claimed that they were plagued by ghosts, and everybody said it was the ghost of that supervisor who fell in the Sloss Furnace. So, that's the name of our sauce. That's where we got it from, the Ghost of Sloss Furnace. Now, I'm going to open this up. Oh man, this stuff smells good. A little bit of habanero peppers, a lot of red ghost peppers, and I'm going to simply pile it on. Now I think I'm going to turn this spicy chicken sandwich into a real spicy chicken sandwich. Let's see what we have here. Whoa! That definitely does it. This is hot, hot, hot. If McDonald's put the Alabama hot sauce Ghost of Sloss Furnace on it, I think a lot of people would be complaining. It's actually a great tasting chicken fillet. Everything about it tastes good. Their sauce has a wonderful taste. It just doesn't have much heat. This is the way I like them. This Ghost of Sloss Furnace sauce, because it has the ghost peppers, has an immediate bite, and it's an all over the mouth sensation. I mean, it's everywhere, all over your mouth. It then has a lingering burn in the back of your throat. So right now, my lips are burning, my inside cheeks are burning. I'm starting to get a little flush because this stuff is really hot. And it has an unbelievable lingering heat in the back of my throat. I'd even have to have me a little iced tea. It's actually a delicious sandwich. And I have clearly made it better by putting the Ghost of Sloss Furnace on it. Chicken is tender, good taste, great crust. I don't eat at McDonald's very often, but I gotta tell you, this is really, really good. Well, that was delicious. And they gave me a little bonus. They gave me an apple pie. So let's take a bite of this baby and see what it's like. Matter of fact, I'm going to put a little hot sauce on it. Because believe it or not, hot goes good with sweet. When you're looking at my YouTube channel, you will notice that there's a video on there that's been very popular with my viewers, where I put my red hot blueberry sauce on ice cream at the cookout restaurant. So y'all take a look at that. Now we're going to try the Ghost of Sloss Furnace on an apple pie. Well, well. This takes apple pie to a whole new level. The pie is hot with fire. The sauce is hot with pepper. This is quite a combination. A little bit more to Ghost on it. Delicious. Now, this is not our hottest sauce. We actually have a new one called Scorpions and Ghosts, which is made out of a unique pepper called Jay's Peach Ghost Scorpion pepper. It's a little bit hotter than this one, but I got to tell you, both of them are hot. We rate this one as hell hot. And then we put a little flag on the top that says it's extremely hot. We want to warn people that they're talking about the real deal when they eat this sauce. So, well, folks, that was the McDonald's spicy chicken sandwich with ghost pepper sauce. They didn't quite get it hot, but I hit it with the Ghost of Sloss Furnace and made it just what a hot chicken sandwich ought to be. I want to thank y'all for joining me. I'm going to sit here and finish this good old big glass of Southern sweet tea. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Hey folks, I want to thank you for joining me with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take a moment if you can to push the little logo and subscribe to my channel. In addition, there's a couple of videos up here that I suggest you watch. I think you'll enjoy them. Once again, thank you very much. We'll see you next time.